Good morning, Vic. Happy New Year. This is my mother's gray water discharge. And as you can see, Dixie and I have added an adapter, kind of a reducer that we made out of a funnel, to get this down to where we could put it into a discharge hose that we bought at a pool supply store. So this thing is now laying out across the ground, simply because with the water just running out on the south side of the building, it ran onto the new covered porch slab. So what I'd like to talk with you about is changing this to maybe an underground line, possibly PVC, what, 1.5 inches, and burying it so that her washing machine will discharge out on the north side and we won't have to have this flat swimming pool discharge hose. What do you think? It would probably mean digging under this walkway and then perhaps running a trench along here. Something like that. Wouldn't have to be very deep. Does that sound like a plan? Thank you very much. And again, Happy New Year.
You didn't know I'd get on this so fast, did you?
Nope, I really didn't.
Don't mess around. Mark, this is Buttercup. This is Buttercup. You named this truck Buttercup. What's that? This is Buttercup. Buttercup? You ever have a well duty, huh? That one had nothing to do with the mystery. About as close as I get, boss. That's good. Is it? That's a good question.
Here we are. Ditch all finished. Almost to the fence. And Alice only had to be pressed into service once to get that rock out of the way. That trencher sure does a good job. Belongs to Mark Newstead. It controls the depth. It's even self-propelled. With the sound of a dune buggy in the background. Here's the ditch from the other side.